Ladies and gentlemen, welcome to another video. In this video, we're going to be talking about how to check your Binance transaction history. So let's get straight into the video. So it's just as simple as just tapping the document clock icon in the top right on the trade screen and selecting the appropriate tab for trades and order. If you're trying to look for fund movements, then you want to simply go ahead and go into your wallet, then tap on spot, and then you want to tap on the clock icon on the top right one more time, and then filter for deposits, withdrawals, or transfers. If you want to go ahead and check for distribution, simply navigate to wallet and tap on earn, and this is where the history document for all rewards and interest are. If you want to export for taxes, you want to simply go ahead and use the web dashboard and click on the export transaction records. And finally, if you want to record key ID differences, then you want to simply go ahead and look for the unique link to your trading order transaction IDs. So I hope this video clarifies everything for you. If you have further more queries, feel free to comment down below, and I'll see you on the next one.